Selecting the right retinol cream is key to good skincare. Now, this is Colleen Rothschild Retinol Supreme Night Oil. Now, you're going to want to use this at night. Here's what it looks like in the box. This was provided for me to share with you because I love great skincare products, and Colleen Rothschild has provided this for me to share with you. Now, this product is award-winning. It is super silky, super soft, and it has the retinol in it at the same time. Wow, it feels amazing. To fight fine lines and wrinkles, it has vitamin C in it and other plant derivatives that will help you put your best face forward. Now, you are going to have just the right amount of retinol in here to fight fine lines and wrinkles. Look how it's pumping up my skin, just giving you that glow. Put it on at night so you can sleep in it and just soak in it. This is a holy grail of retinol cream. You will really be happy with the results. It has the highest concentration of retinol that will totally boost your skin and give it a glow that you haven't been able to experience with other products. It will fight environmental aggressors with its high potency of vitamins. And you're going to want to gently massage it for 3 to 4 minutes to really soak in all the goodness, as it will combat all the aggressors in the environment, and it will help your skin look its best. Now, Colleen Rothschild makes a fabulous collection of skincare products, and you're going to want to add this to your beauty toolbox. This is an amazing product. Help your skin look its best. Take years off of your skin. This is the best hydrating product. You will love it. I highly recommend it.